Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. Let's dive right into the analysis here. And as you guys can probably tell, Bitcoin has had a big correction today. And we have made a new all-time high. So congratulations to all you holders. You guys have, everyone is officially in, well, I mean, everyone was officially in profit for like a couple seconds today. When we did make a new all-time high of like $200 or something like that, because the previous all-time high was 69,000. We reached today, let me just take a look here on some other charts. High 64,229. The high here was 64,232. Sorry, 69,200. And then this candle here, because we just printed a new one, 69,300. So basically $200-300. We had a nice little pop. You know, I know a lot of people are leaving comments in my description saying like, oh my god, he was right and it played out. You know, like some days the market makes me look like a genius, and you know, some other days it'll make me look like a fool, right? So some days I'll be right and some days I'll be wrong. So this one happens to be correct, and we had a nice little pullback in the market. You know, we were tracking this in the fifth wave, and even on the smaller time frames, if we even get on the 15 minutes here, we can get like on a very small count, and you can see that we really had like a wave 3 into a 5 near the end here. Oh my goodness, where's my count? So I'll just show you guys very quickly. 1, 2, and then a 3, 4, and then a final fifth wave with some nice divergence, right? And then it kind of finished up, and it fell apart. So wave counts inside of another wave count inside of another wave count. So now, to me, this looks like we have finished the larger wave 3, and we are going to come into a 3-wave move towards the downside, which should be an ABC correction. Now this could be a crash correction, just so you know. We could very well start to bounce back up tomorrow, impulse, and then crash once again into a C leg. So it could be a very quick down move back down to the $50,000 area. Again, we will calculate this a little bit better once we know where the B wave is going to be, because if the B wave starts to pull in higher and higher, then that's going to make our C leg target higher and higher as well. But if this is a very shallow B wave, like let's just say the B wave ends here, then we're going to have a pretty deep pullback here, in my opinion. And I can give you guys that target right now. Let's just say that this is the low here, or sorry, this is the high of the B wave, and we're not going to go any higher than this, and we're going to start to roll over immediately, which I don't think we will. I think we need a little bit more time. Jerome Powell is speaking tomorrow, but just for the sake of giving you guys a very quick target at the moment, then I would look between the 100% retracement to the 618, so 54,000 and 48,000. This larger target that I have here, that's for the larger wave 4 for now. So that's for the larger wave 4 target that I have. But in terms of the ABC target, it falls within this range right here. So inside of these two boxes, your best chance for a long position is right here. So between 54,000 and I would say between 49,000. So this is where I expect the wave 4 to possibly finish. Again, it's not always going to be 100%. There can be hiccups. Like I said, if the B wave pushes higher, then we're going to have a smaller retrace towards the downside. Okay, so we'll follow this up as we go. If we take a look at wave edge here, that sell signal that we got seems to be spot on. Now it's followed up with a red cross, and not just on one chart but multiple charts. So this looks like it was our topping candle. Lots of selling pressure, big volume candle too. This was not just selling on small volume, no longs. It was just one person selling. This looks like big money was taking profit today, and again, rightfully so. We hit the all-time highs, and we made a new all-time high. So that was nice. It's nice. We made a new all-time high. It's a good feeling. And probably you guys are looking for a buying opportunity now. So I'll be checking on this indicator here for wave edge to see when's going to be the next buying opportunity. I'll be looking to see when they are going to be accumulating again. And once big money is accumulating, I will let you guys know. And I myself will be opening long positions and getting ready for the next run up in Bitcoin. Again, that could be in a couple of days, in a couple of weeks, even in a couple of months. We'll have to see when these signals come out, but I'll be right here waiting for them and ready to let you guys know at any moment. So feel free to like and subscribe, and you can get the news every single day. As the bull market returns, I'm going to be giving you guys regular updates. Also, for the Discord, wanted to let you guys know that the gold membership probably by the end of the week is going to be expiring. This is where I post my trades for leverage and spot trades as well. Again, we're not always going to win them, and I post my losses all the time, my losses and my wins. So we had some nice wins today, or not today, or the other day on Doge. Still a lot of trades running right now, even with the big drop in the market. And you get access to the stocks and option trades as well. So you don't only get access to the cryptos, but you get access to the options and stock market trades as well for the gold membership for $40. So again, if you want to sign up, this is probably your last chance this week. After that, I'm going to be removing it. And for existing members, this is going to be your last chance to submit for the Telegram request. So it's the same signals, just sent directly to your Telegram, or because I can't really manage it as much anymore. It's very demanding to keep track of members. So I'm gonna have to remove that feature for future members. So, but if you're existing and you're still paying, you can keep it. All right. Anyways, let's move on here and let's take a look at Market Cipher. So Market Cipher showing us here that we actually have a bearish dual band strength index candle now with an 11 and a -1. 4 hour. We still have a lot of green money flow. It's showing us that this is a wave 4. And we should go up for one more wave 5, which is actually what I've got illustrated here. And I think if the wave 5 is going to push, then your next target should be maybe right around this upsloping trend line around 85,000. So is this going to be your next target? We'll have to see. Or are we going to go in a cycle 1 high and finish? Oops, let me just move this here. And we're going to finish here, and we're going to go retracing down here for many months, many weeks, until the halving comes, and then we get the halving, and everyone panics again, and then we don't do anything, or we'll see. Anyways, Market Cipher right now, we were pretty bullish on the weekly candle. I think at the beginning of the week. Now it's showing much more weakness. It's now we're only have a 2 and a 6. Looking at the 4 hour. I think we just covered that. Yeah, and let's take a look at the smaller time frame. So the 1 hour. The 1 hour, you still have a lot of green money flow. It's still there. You got a green dot on the 1 hour time frame. Price is starting to recover just a bit. We dropped all the way as low as 59,000. Now it's recovered 7% since then. We'll have to see if the bulls can hold on to dear life. Or are we gonna do an ABC? It's 30 minutes. It's showing massive reduction in green money flow. Now we're hanging by a thread here. If we start to retrace lower, this is going to open up the doors for this crash correction that I'm talking about. So if we get this, then it's going to be pretty painful for whoever FOMO longed into this area. All right, so we'll see. All right, anyways, that's it for today. That's my update. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for the support. Lots of likes and views on the last video. Let's see if we can keep it going. Thanks so much, guys, and have a wonderful day.